Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that's all about the magic of words, those little phrases that can spark a connection and make a guy feel a special kind of way. If you've ever wondered about the secrets to capturing his heart, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to show 12 phrases that make a guy instantly fall for you. Make sure to watch this video to the end, you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Number 1. You are so interesting. Saying you are so interesting can be a flattering and positive compliment that can make someone feel good about themselves and appreciate it. When you tell someone they are interesting, you're acknowledging that you find them engaging, unique, and worth getting to know better. This can create a positive impression and make the person feel valued in your presence. Compliments can boost someone's self-esteem and confidence, which can lead to a more positive perception of you. Expressing that you find him interesting indicates that you're genuinely curious about their thoughts, experiences, and personality. When someone associates positive feelings with your interactions, they might be more inclined to spend time with you and develop deeper feelings over time. By acknowledging their individuality and engaging with their interests, you're more likely to create a connection based on shared experiences and perspectives. Standing out as someone who appreciates their uniqueness can differentiate you from others and make you more memorable. Number 2. Thank you for doing that. Thanking someone for their actions validates their efforts and shows that you recognize and value what they've done for you. It can show appreciation and gratitude, which are important elements in building a positive connection with someone. Expressing gratitude can evoke positive emotions in both the person expressing it and the person receiving it, creating a pleasant interaction. Gratitude can contribute to building a sense of connection and understanding, as it demonstrates that you're attentive to and appreciative of their contributions. Else, when someone feels appreciated, they might be more inclined to reciprocate in positive ways, fostering a sense of give and take in the relationship. Saying thank you reflects good manners and respect for the person's actions, creating a positive impression. Number 3. I've never met someone as motivated as you. Compliments can certainly play a role in fostering a positive impression and building a connection. Saying I've never met someone as motivated as you is a compliment that highlights a person's positive qualities, such as motivation and determination. Compliments can boost a person's self-confidence and self-esteem, making them feel good about themselves. If the compliment is sincere, it can create a positive association between you and the feelings of validation and appreciation. Acknowledging someone's qualities like motivation can make them feel seen and appreciated for who they are. It can show that you're genuinely interested in getting to know them better. While compliments can contribute to building rapport, they are just one piece of the puzzle in forming a genuine and lasting connection. It's important to approach compliments sincerely and authentically. Empty flattery or insincere compliments can have the opposite effect, making someone skeptical of your intentions. Number 4. You're the best. Saying you're the best is another form of compliment that can make a guy feel appreciated and valued. Compliments like these can certainly create a positive impression and contribute to building a connection. Positive compliments validate a person's actions or qualities, making them feel that their efforts are recognized and valued while boosting their self-esteem and self-worth, leading to a positive association with your interactions. It can contribute to forming a favorable impression over time, and you can foster a sense of connection and mutual understanding because genuine compliments can evoke positive emotions, making your interactions more enjoyable and memorable. Number 5. I like the way you're thinking. This is a positive and affirming statement that can make someone feel appreciated for their thoughts and perspectives. Why a statement like "I like the way you're thinking" might have a positive impact. Expressing interest in someone's thought process indicates that you are genuinely engaged and curious about their ideas. This statement validates a person's thoughts and intellectual contributions, showing that you acknowledge and value their unique perspective while respecting their opinions, which in return make them feel special and understood. Recognizing and appreciating someone's way of thinking can foster a sense of intellectual connection and mutual understanding. As with any compliment, sincerity is crucial because insincere compliments can have the opposite effect of what you intend. Number 6. You're too damn funny. This is a playful and positive compliment that can make someone feel good about themselves and their sense of humor. Humor is a powerful tool for creating connections and fostering a positive atmosphere. When you acknowledge someone's funny side, you're not only showing that you appreciate their wit, but also that you value the ability to share lighthearted moments. This recognition can indicate that you share a similar sense of humor, laying the foundation for a sense of camaraderie and shared laughter. By acknowledging his humor, you're contributing to a positive interaction that uplifts the mood and creates a memorable moment. This phrase has the power to boost his self-esteem, making him feel confident and good about himself. It's known that positive and memorable interactions are more likely to leave a lasting impression. The playful nature of this compliment adds an element of fun and lightheartedness to your interactions, creating an atmosphere where both of you can be yourselves and enjoy each other's company in a relaxed and enjoyable way. Number 7. I can't wait to meet you again. Saying "I can't wait to meet you again" expresses anticipation and excitement about seeing someone in the future. This statement can be interpreted as a positive and enthusiastic attitude, which can certainly create a favorable impression. It signals your interest in continuing the connection and spending more time with the person. If the person is also interested, your enthusiasm can match their own, creating a shared sense of anticipation. Expressing excitement about meeting again can show that you value the time you've spent together and are looking forward to more interactions. It can make someone feel special and wanted, contributing to a positive perception of you. By expressing your desire to meet again, you're subtly encouraging the person to consider future interactions as well. Number 8. I feel safe when I'm with you. Expressing feelings of safety can be very meaningful and can contribute to building a deeper bond. It can create a strong emotional connection, as it conveys a sense of security and trust. Being vulnerable by expressing feelings of safety can encourage the person to open up and be more authentic in return. We don't easily show our weakness to everyone, right? They are only known by a few of those who are within our comfort zone. So expressing that you feel safe with him suggests a level of trust and comfort that are crucial for building strong relationships. That shows him he is one of the selected few. It can create a sense of emotional intimacy and help in order to developing a positive impression, which is essential for forming meaningful connections. But keep in mind to only say it if you truly feel that way, because insincere expressions can backfire. Number 9. You are so sweet. Guys will do anything to hear their girls saying you are so sweet. It's in their nature. Humans are wired to seek validation and appreciation from those they care about. When you acknowledge his sweetness, you're not only uttering words but also speaking to his desire for recognition and connection. This simple phrase taps into his innate need for affirmation, resonating deeply with his emotions and psychology. Acknowledging his sweetness shows that you notice and value his efforts to be considerate and caring. Psychologically speaking, this taps into the principles of positive reinforcement and the reward pathway in the brain. Your appreciation becomes a rewarding stimulus, encouraging him to associate his kind behavior with positive emotions. It's like creating a pleasant loop where your words become a catalyst for continued acts of thoughtfulness. It doesn't just evoke positive emotions. It contributes to enjoyable interactions on a profound level. It triggers the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine, which are linked to pleasure and bonding. In essence, when you express your appreciation for his sweetness, you're fostering a biochemical response that reinforces the emotional connection between you two. Not only does it boost his self-esteem and make him feel good about himself, but it also works as a tool for behavioral psychology. By reinforcing his positive behavior, you're encouraging him to keep being kind and thoughtful, creating a positive feedback loop that benefits both of you. Number 10. You're unlike other guys. Saying that he stands out in a positive way isn't just a compliment. It's a validation that resonates deeply with his need for recognition and acceptance. By highlighting his unique qualities compared to others, you're not only boosting his confidence but also fostering a positive association between his self-worth and your appreciation. This act triggers curiosity, prompting him to explore the distinct traits you find appealing, leading to more meaningful conversations and an organic deepening of your connection. When you recognize and celebrate his uniqueness, you're setting in motion a series of psychological responses that enhance his interest in you. This powerful combination of validation, confidence boost, and curiosity-driven conversations creates a profound connection. Your acknowledgement isn't just a surface-level compliment. It's a gateway to the intricacies of human psychology that play a pivotal role in building attraction and a genuine emotional bond. Number 11. I'm so proud of you. Telling a guy I'm so proud of you holds the power to forge a stronger connection and create a positive impression. While it may not guarantee instant infatuation, this expression of pride can have a profound impact. When you acknowledge his efforts and accomplishments, you're offering validation and appreciation that makes him feel valued and understood. This act not only boosts his self-esteem, but also triggers a cascade of positive emotions, intertwining your interactions with pleasure and enjoyment. Sharing emotions like pride fosters an emotional intimacy, deepening the bond as you both connect on a personal level. By encouraging his positive behavior and showcasing your support for his goals, you create a cycle of positive interactions that motivate him to excel. However, authenticity is key. Genuine expressions of pride are more likely to create a lasting impression. While expressing pride has its merits, remember that forming a genuine connection entails more than just compliments. It necessitates shared experiences, effective communication, mutual respect, trust, and compatibility. The concept of someone falling for you is intricate and influenced by various factors beyond a single statement. Yet, by genuinely expressing your pride, you're creating a bridge of understanding and affirmation that can contribute to building a deeper emotional connection over time. Number 12. You are such a gentleman when I'm with you. This phrase acknowledges someone's courteous and considerate behavior. Recognizing someone's actions as gentlemanly validates their efforts to be respectful and thoughtful. The compliment shows that you value and appreciate their considerate behavior, contributing to positive feelings. It can reinforce positive behavior, encouraging the person to continue being courteous and considerate. Associating positive qualities like being a gentleman with the person can create a positive perception of them,